At Fast Trading, we provide a watch list that has edge. That is the ingredient missing from the majority of trade strategies available to the individual trader. It doesn't mean you win every trade, but with our system you will start every trade as the favorite. Think about it for a moment. From our side, an analyst uses powerful tools to make the watch list, and then a bot watches the market to provide you the trade signals. That means you only need to focus on getting in or out of the positions. It is called being the trader. And it is a skill set of its own, but it is enough of a challenge. So, let's see how to get you started as the trader in the Fast Trading system. In this video, we are going to look at the format of the items on the watch list, give an idea how to prepare for trading, show some trade signals and explain how best to open or close the position. At the end we introduce the latest tool, an app for your handheld devices that keeps you current on everything in the Fast Trading system. Let's take a look at the watch list for the week. With relative value analysis, we create what we call synthetic symbols, each of which is made from two stock symbols which we refer to as leg A and leg B. The price of each synthetic symbol is equal to the price of leg A minus a ratio of the price of leg B. The ratio is found here. In the trading world, the side indicates whether we trade long or trade short. When you are trading a normal stock symbol, going long means you will buy the symbol and going short means you will sell it in our trade. Each synthetic symbol requires two trades and one is always a long and one is always a short. So we define a long trade as being long leg A and short leg B. A short trade is the reverse. We are short leg A and long leg B. The date shows the week the watch list was created and the status shows what is happening currently. At the beginning of the week, each new item will have a status of watching. A trade signal will change the status to open and then to closed. Let's see what we can do to help make the trading go smoothly. To prepare for the week ahead, it is important to set up your trading screen for the synthetic symbols. I generally do this early on Monday morning. The idea is to have leg A and leg B for each synthetic symbol together. Take a look at this screenshot from my Interactive Brokers trading window. At the moment I have 5 pairs being watched. 3 are open positions and we are still waiting for signals on these 2. Our analysis ensures that you are trading with edge, but you also need to manage risk, and that means being careful about the size of each trade. I suggest using a simple spreadsheet that calculates the number of shares based on your size and the ratio. For discussion purposes, we will use EOGSLB from this week's watch list. Suppose you have decided that you are comfortable with a $10,000 position on leg A, which is EOG. And the price of EOG at the time of the signal is $93.31. Then leg A will be 107 shares. Now for SLB. Simply take the number of shares of leg A multiplied by the ratio provided in the watch list. In this case, SLB will be 240 shares. Remember the side, which was short, so we will sell 107 shares of EOG and buy 240 shares of SLB. Okay, so now a trade signal comes in. What do we do next? Let me give you some ideas. We are going to use the signal tool because we have charts over there. Let's pick another one, MTDRSM. First, the daily charts. This is the thing we actually trade and you can see that overall, it's got this nice shape. Then it had a big drop down and we're going to expect this to come back up. So for starters this is a long trade. A long trade means that when we get a signal to open, we buy MTDR and sell SM. Now imagine that the signal just happened. Let's take a look at the individual product charts. We're going to set these up to try to be able to see them both. First, the daily charts. We can see clearly that they have similar motion. In fact, if we look carefully we're able to see that the dates on the highs and the lows coincide with each other. That makes sense, because that is the point of the analysis we use in relative value trading. These two products have similar behavior to the risk factors in the market. Now, let's take a look at the 5-minute charts. The 5-minute charts are even more pronounced. The highs and the lows for both products are on exactly the same 5-minute time slots. We see that there's been a general trend up for both symbols over the last couple of minutes. We're expecting that to be the case because they normally move similarly. Keep in mind that this is a market, and in markets, buyers and sellers determine the prices. More buyers, then the prices are going up. More sellers and prices are going down. Any type of trade that uses 2 legs is called a spread. And the rule for trading spreads is to always get the hard side first. If that is the case, and both symbols are currently moving up, which side will be easier to get? MTDR, which we want to buy, or SM, which we want to sell? It is going to be easier to sell when more people are buying. That's a seller's market. The hard side in this case is MTDR, because that's the side we have to buy. We can even wait until SM looks like it's starting to turn around before opening that side. With relative value trading, you have an opportunity to get into the trade at a better price than where the signal came, and that's the challenge I give myself every time. It doesn't always work out, but hey, it keeps the trading interesting. You're going to get better at this with practice. And now the latest tool in the Fast Trading system makes using the analysis even easier. Previously, subscribers saw the watch list and recent signals by logging into the website. Now the same information is available right in your handheld device. Plus the live price action alerts come by push notification. Let's take a look. Here is the latest signal. It is a signal to close for STLDTX. Opening the app, we see the 10 most recent signals. A chart is available by touching the symbol. The watch list for the week is seen here. Current status of each item is in the last column. The red X means it is closed. The green check says that this position is open. And the yellow I tells us that we are still watching this one. As described previously, the side shows whether the item is a long or a short. In any case, the app is available now in the App Store and the Google Play Store. Check the description for the links. Let's go make some money. Good luck.